Yup, that's right. We're driving the S10 today because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will know that I dropped off the KBD bumper last week to get painted. It is now Monday and it's Monday today and it's ready to be picked up, so that's why we're driving the truck today. I also have another surprise for the Z. I'm going to show you guys that once I get back from picking up the bumper. I also need to run to Advanced Auto to go pick up some bulbs for something. So that's a hint. That's a big hint, honestly. If you guys are excited to see the new bumper painted or just excited for this new video, go down below, leave a like on the video. It does help me out a lot. So let's go ahead and go to Advanced Auto Parts, get what I need, and then go pick up the bumper. Finally made it to the paint shop. I don't know why I'm like super, I'm excited for the bumper, but I'm like super nervous for some reason. I don't know why. Alright, let's park the truck real quick. Okay, parking skills on point. So this is my first time getting anything painted from a shop. Not sure what to expect. I hope everything turns out pretty good. I guess let's just go check it out and see. I'll bring you guys along with me to go see how it looks. I'm so ready to throw on this KBD bumper and it's finally painted. I've been riding around with no paint on the bumper for like a month already. So it's a good feeling to finally get something painted and have it all one color again. I really hope they don't mind me filming, but I think it'll be alright. Getting ready to pay for the bumper. It's gonna kill my pockets, bro. It's gonna kill my pockets. So bumper is not ready, unfortunately, which kind of sucks, but I can still show you guys what I got. I can still install what I got today. I just wish that the bumper would have been ready today, but it's fine. I understand, you know, things happen. I'm pretty much busy all this week, not sure when I can pick it up. But yeah, let's go home and I'll show you guys what else I got for the Z. I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be like a huge upgrade for the front end. So I'll see you guys when I get home. KBD bumper is not ready, but I have something else to install on the Z that's just as exciting. Let me show you guys the car real quick, okay? I have condensation in its headlight. Pretty sure that the ballast O-ring is bad or I have a crack somewhere. And also the rain guard is also flew off on the highway. Remember I told you guys I didn't have anywhere to mount it. I was driving and it literally just like flew off and it's gone. So, but most likely it's the ballast O-ring that went bad and that's why there's so much condensation in the headlight. So yeah, I decided to pick up a pair of DEPO headlights. Let me show you guys real quick. I already opened these up and, you know, looked at them for a little bit. Let me take them out the box real quick. There it is, guys. The new DEPO headlights for the Z. These look so freaking good. Black housing, LED. Hey, what's up? You wanna help me install these headlights? But yeah, I bought a pair of these. Luckily, there was literally only 7 left in stock and I luckily got a pair for myself, which is good. I heard they won't restock these till like months after these sell out, so I was super lucky to grab myself a pair. They also came with new ballast O-rings. I wish I would have known that before because I already purchased some OEM ones, which are probably gonna work better anyways, so I just have these as a spare just in case anything happens. But I'm ready to get rid of these ugly, look at that, all that condensation in the headlight. It looks so, yeah, that's no bueno. I guess I'm gonna get started by taking off the bumper, taking off the headlights, and putting these new ones on. So let's get to it. Bumper is off. Honestly, I think I'm gonna start with the bad one first. Start with this one, transfer the ballast and everything like that onto the new one. All right, so here's the old headlight. As you guys can see, So you see how there's like condensation right here. There's a little bit of water droplets, most likely because this O-ring has gone bad. That's why I had to pick up some new ones. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm transferring the ballast over to this headlight, and you also have to take out this wire, unscrew these tops, and you basically transfer this wire onto the new headlight as well. I'm gonna clean it off, make sure it's all clean before I put the new one on. And yeah, I guess I'll do a time lapse of me doing this so you guys can see, kind of see what I'm doing throughout the process. Once I'm done, I'll explain more on what I did. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so everything is now transferred over to the new DEPO headlight. Ballast and ballast O-ring from Nissan is now on there. LED bulb is now in there as well. Wiped off the ballast so that the O-ring could sit perfectly without any debris on it. I already replaced the daytime running light as well as the turn signal bulb. I'll leave a link in the description to where I bought these at, so if you guys get a pair of DEPOs, you guys can go ahead and get the bulbs where I got them from. And yeah, I guess now all I have to do is put these on the car, see if I did what I was supposed to do. Let's see if they work. Alright, let's see if I did everything correctly. So this should be, okay, I see some lights. Okay, so this is going to be the daytime running light. There's the LED I put in, turn signal bulb, but this is the old one. This is the daytime running lights compared to the new one. Okay, so this is going to be the high beam. Oh yes, so they do work compared to the old ones. Oh yes, these are so much better. I guess now we just take off the film. It's so satisfying. I think I'm going to take off the old eyelids on this one and then put them on the new one, but I gotta clean these up first. So, but damn, huge upgrade. Highly recommend these headlights. These are so clean. Honestly, I did not miss this bumper at all. I am so ready for the KBD bumper to be finished and painted. But let me know what you guys think of the new headlights down below in the comments. I honestly love them. Forgot to show you guys that I added some side fins, that's what they're called, little fins, to the rear of the car from Street Arrow. Try to enter the win in that Tesla. You can win the Z or the Tesla, but honestly, if I won, I would honestly get the Tesla because I already have a Z or whatever. But it adds a little bit more of aggressiveness to the rear. On camera, the car looks really clean, but I promise you guys it is super dirty. If you guys missed the videos, if you guys like the headlights, if you guys liked today's video, do me a favor, go down below, leave a like on today's video. It does help out the channel a lot. But like I said, stay tuned for next video. You're not going to want to miss it when everything is finally all put together. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.